Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do an empties video. I have quite a few empties, so we're just going to jump right in. The Huggy wipes 32 count. They came from the Dollar Tree. $1.25 for 32 wipes. It's not the greatest deal. They are name brand though. They didn't have a scent to them. I mean, they are what they are. Sometimes you can find better deals at the Dollar Tree though on wipes. These wipes are from Dollar General. I do think the 40 count for only $1 at Dollar General is a good deal. They're fragrance free, they're thick wipes, they work for what they should. And then these right here are almost $3 for 72 wipes, and they are in the lavender scent. These were okay. I'm not the biggest fan of lavender, so really I don't know why I got these, just for the scent in general, but I think they might have been out of the shea butter or something, and possibly didn't have the dollar ones that day. These are, you know, they're wipes. Hand sanitizers. This is from the Dollar Tree, a cucumber melon scented hand sanitizer. I repurchase this one all the time. It's really nice. I love the scent of it. It's perfect for purse. It is 3 fluid ounces, so they are bigger than the Bath & Body Works one. This is an Ode Bath & Body Works one, but it's in Caribbean Escape. I have a bunch of these Ode ones still, and they still work great on what they're supposed to do, and they smell amazing still. And Bodycology Sugar Apple Hand Soap. I love the scent of this hand soap, and I got this around like the Christmas holiday set a couple years ago, and it came with a hand lotion and a little like a stand for them to sit on. This was great. There is a little bit in there, and I might use that later, but for the most part this is completely done. Nice scent though. Love Bodycology. Colgate Watermelon Burst Toothpaste. This is Connor's favorite toothpaste. He loves this one. A secret deodorant. It does what it's supposed to. I love the scent of this. And for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, can't beat it. Shampoos and conditioners. VO5. Will always probably repurchase VO5. And Suave shampoos. They are great, but they are cheaper and they work like they're supposed to. They come in a ton of different scents to choose from. Now this one here isn't so much about scent but dry scalp, and if you use a product like this consistently, it will help with dry scalp and clearing that up, at least help with it, but you have to use this product consistently. This was great. It worked because we're using consistently. And the VO5 Strawberries and Cream shampoo and conditioner. I love their new clear packaging. It's just fun packaging, even with the giant strawberry on there. These smell amazing. They smell great. They lather really nicely. They moisturize the hair really nice. And like I said, they're like $1 each at Walmart, I believe. So great product for the price. Body washes. Bodycology Cucumber Melon, the 2-in-1 body wash and bubble bath. This stuff is great. It smells amazing. 16 fluid ounces. It's $4 at Walmart. This lingers on the skin. It's super hydrating, moisturizing on the skin as well. It lathers really nicely. I only use it as body wash. Never tried it as bubble bath, but this stuff is great. Highly recommend. The Silk Ions body wash, and this is in the shea and cocoa butter. I have used this in the past. It's really nice as well. So this is a repurchase, and 24 fluid ounces for $1.25. Quite a lot of product. It's nice and creamy. It is a little on the thinner kind of formula, but it is creamy still. It lathers nicely, and your skin is so soft after you use this. So definitely recommend this product from the Dollar Tree. The Axe Phoenix scent. The spray smells really nice. And then this is the Be Delicious from DKNY. And yeah, there's just a little left in here. This smells okay. A little hose that connects to the nozzle doesn't go all the way down, so I cannot get this perfume out of here at all. So I'm just gonna let this go now. It did smell nice and lingers okay on the skin. I wouldn't repurchase a full size or anything like that. This is like something from a Christmas set. It's just not something I want to wear all the time. I have lotions here, and this is the Jergens Ultra Healing Extra Dry Skin Moisturizer. This stuff is great for dry skin. I do like it. I already have another bottle of this, but the one thing I can say about it is I hate how loud the scent of this is. This is a very, very loud scent for a lotion. I'm not the biggest fan of that. But that aside, it works very well on dry skin, like it suggests. And like I said, I already have another bottle of this. It's great. But just the scent is it's so loud. And then I have some hand creams. So this is from Fresh Sweet, and this is the scent Sugar Berries Scented Hand Cream. These are from the Dollar Tree. There was in a 2-pack, I believe, and Dollar Tree does that typically around spring, Mother's Day, that kind of thing. And these 2-packs are always really nice. The hand cream, I do like thicker hand creams. I don't like hand creams that leave oily residues on the hands. This was on the thinner formula, so not my favorite for a hand cream, but I still do have the other one to use, and I will. Hand cream really is a hand cream, but it doesn't leave any weird oily residue, so I will give it that. The scent is light, sweet kind of scent. It doesn't smell like berries. Yeah, the packaging is cute though, too. And then this one I did love, but it did leave a oily residue. I did get this one at Dollar Tree, even though it is a name brand, and it's the Pro FX Scented Oil Therapy Hand Cream. So it even says it in the name. This is very thick, very moisturizing, very nourishing for your cuticles. The only thing I didn't like about this one is the scent. It is in lavender. You know, lavender's supposed to be a calming scent. I don't think it's very calming for myself. Yeah, but great hand cream overall. And that has been my empties today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, found the reviews helpful. Well, stay tuned for more videos like these. Don't forget to check the description box out, as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. And I thank you so very much for watching.